Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solution Tutorials and welcome to our extended exploration of Audible, the renowned audiobook and spoken word platform that is redefining the way we experience stories and information. In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive into the vast world of Audible, offering insight for both listeners and content creators, for audio books, of course, and we'll cover how to navigate Audible's extensive library, highlighting its diverse range of genres, bestsellers, and exclusive contents. You'll learn about the benefits of Audible's membership, including credit system, member discount, and special features like Whisper Sync. We'll also discuss how to optimize, of course, your listening experience with Audible's application features. For authors, narrators, and publishers, we'll provide an overview of creating and submitting content of Audible and details of the process of turning your written work into an engaging audiobook. Additionally, we'll explore the opportunities that Audible offers, of course, for aspiring voice actors and establishing narrators. By the end of this guide, you'll have a true understanding of how to make the most of Audible. Now, as usual, what you need to do is to go to the official platform of Audible right here. So you'll see the sign up button right here. So you click on the sign up button to start trying the platform. You can try it totally for free. So click on sign up, then it'll take you here. You can sign up directly. You can use your email address or your mobile number. Now finally, after creating your account, you'll have to add your credit card, of course, the information. You have a free trial of 13 days, and that's it. Now let's start exploring our dashboard. Now here, of course, you have your profile. So we are on a premium plus version or plan, but it is totally for free for the first month. So if you want to cancel at any time, you can cancel. Now here we have one credit available, so we can use it. You can view your credit summary right here, and you can see the available next credit on January 24th, 2024. And here, of course, we have the premium. As I said, we have the help center. You have the language. You can see it in English or you can turn it into Spanish. And this is actually Audible is a campaign that is created or featured on Amazon.com. So if you know how to use Amazon, this is easy for you. The concept of Audible is like an Amazon, but only for audiobooks. So you'll be able to buy your books from this platform directly. Now here you can pick any title with the credit that you have right here. So let's start exploring. So here you'll have to get the application. Sorry, if you want on your mobile, then you can use your credit and you can start listening to the book. Now, so you'll have to click on start exploring right here. Now, for example, after that, so we're using the desktop application or the browser. So here you can see the books that are trending right now. Now we have the diver. We have the boys in the boat, etc. There are a lot of new books that has came out lately. Now when you scroll down here, you'll have many other books. So, and for the if you want to listen to bestseller, these are the bestseller books. Now we know that Britney Spears has created her new book, the memoir about her life, The Woman in Me. So let's click, for example, on this book. So you click on here and we will see what we can do. So for that, you have the author of the book, the narrators, the length of the book, and the unabridged audiobook, the release date, and the language of the book, and who is the publisher. And this is the rate of the viewers or the people who bought or already bought the book. Now if you click on buy for one credit, you'll be able to buy the book directly with the credit that you have. Here you can buy it directly with dollars and you can add it to your cart. So if you click on add to cart, it will be added directly right here, so you can buy it in the future. Now here when we scroll down, we have many other similar books like the Book of Jada, the wife of Will Smith. We have Counting the Cost by Jill Duggar, and etc. There are a lot of books. Now here we have this book that was famous last year. It is called I'm Glad My Mom Died by Jeanette MC Cardi. So you can listen to it if you want to. Now when you scroll down here, you'll be able to see the editorial review of people. So those are some reviews reviews of the best, publishers or people who are made to make reviews about some books, so we can read those validated reviews. Sorry. Now, when we scroll down here, we'll be able to see the review of other people. So this is the overall reviews. So those are the reviews of the story, and here we have the performance of the book. Now it depends on the book. So since Britney Spears is a famous person, so she may have fans and she may have haters. So when you find that she has 5 stars, it doesn't mean that you're gonna look like the book. And when you find those, low stars, you know that it has been controversial with other artists like Timberlake. So maybe the fan just dislike this. So don't make it a reference. You can have a book with 5 stars and you may not like it, and same, you can have a book with less stars and you may like it. So you'll have to be careful about what you look, so you can look on social media. Now here you can read more about the review of the the people who bought it. So for example, here we have this review by GB. He said that I'm totally on the Britney bandwagon of support. However, this book was terribly written and lacked all depth. It would have been interesting to learn more details on showbiz and learning more about who she is. The book is thoroughly about how she is a victim in every single possible way. She owns nothing, she could improve nothing. Everyone else is awful, that's not reality. Now, here we have another good review that said, iconic, I have never read a book and cried as much as I have. What was done to Britney by her family, her first love, and her ex-husband, the paparazzi and the media is totally heartbreaking, of course. So the reviews depends on your type of media that you want to see. Now let's explore more. Let's go here to our library again. As I said, you'll be able here to make search. So you have here search. So let's search, for example, musical. Let's write musical and let's see what we're gonna have. Now the library is we don't have any book yet, so we can't find anything. We haven't buy any book now, so we'll have to go again to the browser. So click on browser right here and you look, for example, on mystery books. You have science, fantasy, history, computer and technology, health and wellness, romance, teens, kids, bestsellers, etc. So let's click, for example, again on bestsellers, and then let's look, for example, by words. So let's write musical. When you write musical, you click on the search bar, and here you'll have the books that has the word musical in their title or even in their description. Now here, as I said, after you search here, you have the categories, so we can search by category 2. So this is a category for art and entertainment that contain the word musical on their name. Now here we have other filters, so we can scroll down. We can filter by original, so the Audible original, and here we have others like the access plus catalog. You have duration if you want an audiobook that is up to 1 hour, 1 to 3 hours, 3 to 6 hours, and of course language. You have the English language, and the format of the book. So it can be a podcast or an audiobook, which means it is a book written and someone is reading it. It may be the author or someone else. Now we have also the abridgment, so we can search by an abridged books, and here we have the podcast type, so you can click on podcast, so you will read more about it. So here we have this book that called Crash Hour and Musical, so you'll be able to read and play the book. For example, the book is totally for free, so when you click on play, you'll be able to play the book directly on here. It will start playing right here, so you just click on here. So here it is performed by some artists, like we have Ellie Goulding, Douglas Booth, Roy Kinner, etc. So here, for example, when you move, you will find audio of those artists right here talking about their musical careers. So those were the main features for now. We have the Inside Audible, as I said, so you can see the Today at Audible. You can read more about them, and you can read about the community, and of course they have some gifts. So when you click on gifts, you will be able to see the holiday gifting, so all wrapped up. So they will give the story Lover in Your Life specific title, or a gift membership featuring their in-match selection of audiobooks and original. So let's scroll down here, and you'll be able to see that this is a gift membership for their audience or customers or client for audiobook lovers who want to celebrate their holiday, so they offer some gifts for the holiday. So those were the main important features of the platform. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.